Would you believe all this retro goodness you see on this table? I purchased all of it for only $100. Yeah, I got it from the Facebook Marketplace, and the fella claimed that it all worked. But even if it doesn't, I think I might have got my money's worth. From a distance, the Sony Playstation 2 looks decent. However, up close is a whole different story. Dust, dirt, grime, scratches, and messed up video input plug. Am I complaining? No way. This is the stuff I like to tinker with, clean up, fix, and repair and mod, and what have ya. By the way, this is Project ps2, and welcome to modstek. First, we have to open this classic console to see exactly what's going on inside. Sadly, it won't be too hard from what I noticed. There's only 3 original screws holding this old PS2 together. She's been opened up before, fellas. I know retro gamer collectors don't like to see these old beauties cut up and painted, and really, to tell you the truth, I wasn't planning on such a thing. I just want to see if I can hold off here. Would you believe in all my years, I don't even think I've played a PS2, so I'm kind of excited to get this project done and give it a go. All this dirt in here just makes me wonder, these people must have played the hell out of this thing and just had a great time. I like to imagine that anyways. Cue that scrubby-dubby music. And here we go, that Dremel called out to me and got the best of me. Now I want to see if I can make the game disc visible while it's spinning. There is no blueprint to this, I'm just winging it, hoping to leave enough there for the disc player to still be functional. If this works, which I'm kind of hoping it does, I'm going to have to break out the hole saw and try to eyeball up where the hole should be. Fingers crossed. I did fast forward the paint process so you didn't get bored. However, Hurricane Zeta was only about an hour away, and basically, I was almost painting this fast. I think this Krylon Fusion paint from Walmart's is looking good for the most part. I was trying to avoid painting the top, that's why I taped it off, but you can't kind of have a new look and kind of not. So I did end up spraying the top and bottom with hammered black, a slightly textured paint. And you'll see that coming up. Here I'm just peeling, and then I'll use a craft knife to clean up around these holes. I'm curious though, what's the best visual game for the PS2? I think I read somewhere there was a handful of 480p games. Is that correct? Yeah, I thought you'd skip here. Anyways, let's put it back together. Well, there she is in all her glory. So the repair was the video output. It was bent and dirty. Cleaned the inside and also the memory card to get that to work. I also made custom vinyl stickers. Did you see all those games it came with? I'm just about ready to have my first PS2 gaming session. And guess what? It already sold before I could finish this freaking video. That's okay, maybe next time. Be safe, my friends, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.